Hi guys, welcome to Sylvia Baroque with sylviabaroque.com. In today's video, I'm going to talk with you about the top short squeeze stocks you can buy now. Stay tuned. Before I start guys, make sure you subscribe to my Discord chat. I have a link in the description below and it is free. We share there everyday swing trading ideas, new trades, and it is very important, especially for newbies out there who want to learn something new. We are a lot of experienced traders out there who share their thoughts, their ideas, so make sure you join us and I will be happy to work with you. Now before I start, I would like to explain for the newbies out there what is a short squeeze and how this might happen. First of all, a short means that you are borrowing shares in order to short the stock. So this means that you want the stock to go down and you are betting that the stock is going to go down. In order for that to happen, like I mentioned, you have to borrow stocks which you don't own. If you have high short flow, this basically means that as soon as the stock goes up, some of those short positions, short traders, they have to start covering their stock. Now, what does that mean? In order to cover their stock, they have to buy back the shares which they don't own. And what does that mean? This means that the stock will continue to go up because they're buying back their shares. So this is like a domino effect, guys, and we have seen that a lot of times with a lot of different stocks and stuff. What happened with GME or AMC, this is nothing new. We have seen that especially with penny stocks a lot of times. Now, the question here is, how can you profit of that and how can you find stocks like that? Now, I would not recommend to anyone to short a stock, especially not now during those volatile and crazy times for short sellers, but you can profit on the long side if you know your risk management and if you know how much capital you're willing to invest and of course to lose. Now, the first stock which I have here is Mara. Why Mara? Mara is related to Bitcoin, and I do think that in the next couple of days or maybe weeks, we're going to see that all those people who had some troubles with GME, and we had a lot of troubles with the brokers, with executions, with restrictions, all those people, they will move most likely to Bitcoin. And I also saw that Elon Musk is already pumping Bitcoin, which means that we might see some kind of a move in the next days or weeks. What does that mean for us? We can start looking for some Bitcoin or Bitcoin mining stocks. In this case, Mara is a very good example because it has a lot of squeeze potential. Now, what does that mean? This means that we have here, as you can see on Finviz, short float of 21.06%. So everything what is above 20 is pretty high short flow. This means that this stock has the potential for people who are short to start covering the position as soon as the stock continues to go up, which might end up as a short squeeze, like I already mentioned, if they end up covering their positions and buying back their shares. Now let's take a quick look at the chart of Mara. Mara had a very nice move here, pulled back and made another great move here. Now, what I do like about this stock is that we have here already a nice consolidation area, and it is around 1830, and the low is here 1520, 1527, 1520ish. So what does that mean? We broke out here, and after that we pulled back almost into that breakout area, which acts now as a support area, and now we're consolidating here. This means that as soon as we break out here, which happened on Friday, we might end up to see continuation of that green move and another leg up, which might end up even higher than the previous high of 28.37. Now, of course, it is risky to buy a stock which is up that much, guys, but if you understand risk management and if you have a proper plan, it should be no problem to trade stocks like that. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, and if you're completely new, make sure you join my free chat like I mentioned and DM me. I'm willing to help you and I'm here also to share my experience with you. So to summarize that, we have pretty high short float here. We have a huge potential because of Bitcoin, because I do think that Bitcoin might be ready for the next move up. And of course, we have already a nice move here, nice momentum and squeeze potential. and a consolidation area which might, after a breakout, which might end up even higher and maybe even above the previous highs of 28. Now let's take a look at the other stock which I'm interested in and which is also a very nice short squeeze candidate. Now the second stock which I'm looking at is called Fubo, FuboTV.Inc. This stock had 75.24% short flow. So this is very, very high, guys, and you should of course understand also the risks. In this case, if you long this stock, make sure you understand that we might see some kind of a hold, gap downs, or something like that. You should be able to manage your risk and of course not risk too much of your capital. Now I do like this stock because it already ran a lot, pulled down, pulled back, and now it consolidated here, made another run, and now it is trying to pull back again. So now let's take a look at the chart real quick. As we can see here on this chart, guys, this stock went from 9 to 62 only in a matter of months. So this is a huge move, and like I mentioned, the higher the short flow, the bigger the squeeze can be and the bigger the move to the upside can be on this stock. Now after this huge move, we saw also some kind of a huge sell-off here, and we came into that support area of 25.22. So this is what I'm trying to explain you here with the risk, guys. Those stocks not only go up, when they pull back, they can pull back very heavy. That's why you should understand the risk which you are involved into. Now, after we made it here to hold this 25.22 support area, the stock broke out, consolidated, and made another breakout. Now, at this current moment, it looks like it is trying to pull back a little bit here, and I would like to see more pullback into the 28 area. And if we see that, that would be a nice setup. And if we see some kind of a doji candle, that would be also a very nice setup and a very nice preparation for another nice move to the upside. And I do think based on the high short float, this stock might make even more, even higher percentage of move and can run even more than the previous high, which is 62.29. Now here is another stock, the third one which I want to share with you for today. It is called BTBT or BitDigital.Inc. Now this stock doesn't have a huge short float, but I do like the momentum of this stock, and it has some relation to Bitcoin, of course, and tomorrow, because it is Bitcoin mining company, and I do expect to see some kind of a move in the next couple of days on this one as well. So now let's go ahead and see right away how the chart looks like. First of all, guys, I want to mention that this stock BTBT was on my watch list already here. It was around 553, guys, and this move happened before, so this is not a stock which I'm watching, oh, it broke out, now I want to long it. I mentioned this stock to my subscribers before this huge move happened, and after that we saw this huge move from 5 to 33. So make sure you join our chat, guys. I share there some free ideas, and of course the pro and research educational area is a great way for you to find stocks like that. Now after this huge move, we saw here some kind of a pullback, very nice consolidation here into the 1560 area, and after that we saw a nice pullback. The stock opened on Friday with gap up here, and that's why we see a little bit of a sell-off here, but this is fine for me as long as we hold this support area. For me, this has a potential to go even more up, and like I mentioned before, I do think that some of the people who got restricted on GME, AMC, they might move into the Bitcoin, and of course, based on that Elon Musk is pumping Bitcoin, I do think that we're going to see some kind of a movement here, and it is a great opportunity to try to find some Bitcoin stocks here. Now, guys, of course, also in this case, you see this is a very volatile stock. It might get halted as well. You never know what is going to happen. Make sure you understand your risks here, and make sure you don't risk too much capital, not all of your savings. And if you don't understand that, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you with my trading experience and to teach you how to trade properly with a good trading plan. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for joining me. Make sure you understand the risks of those stocks and keep them on watch. Bye bye.